Welcome to our comprehensive guide on cryptocurrency investment strategies for the year 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this guide will provide you with essential insights for navigating the crypto landscape. In this section, we'll analyze market trends and predictions, arming you with the knowledge needed to anticipate changes in the crypto market. Diversifying your investments across different cryptocurrencies can significantly reduce risk. This strategy allows you to take advantage of various market movements. Understanding the differences between long-term and short-term investment strategies is crucial for maximizing your returns and managing your patience. Technical analysis provides valuable insights into price movements and trends, enhancing your decision-making process for investments. Effective risk management techniques are essential to safeguard against volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is revolutionizing the investment landscape in 2025, offering alternative financial services that you should explore. Staying informed with the latest news and developments is critical for making informed investment choices in the fast-paced crypto environment. Understanding the tax implications and regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrency is vital for compliance and financial planning. In conclusion, crafting a smart investment strategy for 2025 involves a mix of understanding, diversification, and staying updated on market dynamics. Thank you for joining us.